Hello students, so I am back with another topic of mathematics. I am Adesh Naik and welcome back to Only Mathematics. Today we are going to learn about conversion of kilometer per hours to meter per seconds. This topic is mostly required in physics, but it has base of mathematics. So we are going to learn it now. So let's begin. So as we all know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So the value of this kilo is nothing but 1000. So we can write 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. And next we have hours. So 1 hour consists of 60 minutes. And 1 minute consists of 60 seconds. So 1 hour will be equal to 60 into 60 seconds, that is 3600 seconds. Now we know two things, that is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters and second is 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So I'll just write it here. So 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Now kilometer per hour, so I'll write it, kilometer per hour. So here we have 1 and here also we have 1. If no digit is present here, it means that it has 1 and 1. So we know that 1 kilometer is nothing but 1000 meter and 1 hour is nothing but 3600 seconds. Now we got unit as meter per second. Now we'll solve this. So 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. So it is equal to 10 by 36 meter per seconds. You can also solve it further. So it is 2 5s are 10 and 2 18s are 36. So we can write 5 by 18 meter per seconds. So 1 kilometer per hour is nothing but 5 by 18 meter per seconds. So you have to directly remember this. Okay. So let's see one numerical related to this. So the question is, convert 36 kilometer per hour to meter per seconds. So we know one thing, 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18 meter per seconds. So what can we write? So 36 kilometer per hour, we can write it as 36 into 1 kilometer per hour, that is 36 into 1 kilometer per hour is nothing but 5 by 18 meter per second. So it is 5 by 18. Now unit you can write meter per seconds. So 18 ones are and 18 twos are and 2 5s are 10. So you got 10 meter per seconds is 36 kilometer per hour. Okay. Similarly, you can check for another example. So if you have 72 kilometer per hour to meter per second, so I can now directly write 72 into 5 by 18 meter per second. So 18 ones are 18 fours are 4 5s are 20 meter per seconds. So this is simple conversion from kilometer per hours to meter per seconds. Okay. Similarly, we can convert meters per second to kilometer per hour. Now, how to convert meter per seconds to kilometer per hour? Now we know this relationship, that is 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18 meter per second. Now if this 5 by 18, I'll take it on this side. So 18 will go into numerator and 5 into denominator. So what we'll get? So I'll just write it here. So this will be 18 by 5. reciprocal. This kilometer per hour as it is, and here we have 1 meter per second. That is, we can write 1 meter per second is nothing but 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Now based on this we'll see one more numerical so that your concept will be clear. Okay, so the question is, convert 20 meter per second to kilometer per hour. Now we know that 1 meter per second is 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Therefore 20 meter per second, we can write this as 20 into 1 meter per second. Now this 1 meter per second is nothing but 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So we can write 20 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So 5 ones are 5 fours are, and 18 fours are 72 kilometer per hour. So we got 20 meter per second as 72 kilometer per hour. You have to just remember this. To convert meter per second, you have to multiply the given quantity with 18 by 5, and to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, you have to multiply the given quantity by 5 by 18. Okay, so this was simple conversion from meter per second to kilometer per hour and kilometer per hour to meter per second. You can try more numericals at your place. Okay, thank you so much.